guys, it's Nancy here and welcome back to my channel and a new Vlogmas video. Today is Friday, it's currently 9:20 a.m. I woke up a little before 8 a.m. and started working immediately, so I'm still working, still in my pajamas. I have my blanket over here to keep me warm and yeah, I am, as I said, working. I have to work today, but I wanted to start off filming this vlog, and I want to share what's on my to-do list for today. Like during my break from work, I'm gonna go to buy my new Christmas tree. You guys probably know that I already had a Christmas tree. It was right there in that corner. Yes, but it died like after 2 weeks, and I bought one in a pot, so that was almost like it was impossible for it to die, but it did. And it's like I don't want to talk about it. We're just gonna go today and buy a new tree and decorate again. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do some cleaning. I really have to clean our fridge, and I want to do some other things around the apartment. And then let's see. Okay, yes, of course I have to work and film this video, and then I have to go to pick up my packages, which I always order my packages to my dad's place. So I'm gonna go pick them up, and then in the evening my boyfriend's friend is coming over, so I'm gonna go to my mom's place. Yeah, I need to do something for Instagram, and I decided to vlog with you guys since it is a vlogmas. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. I hope this video will be interesting to you guys. Yeah, I changed my earrings. So obsessed with them now. Like, I don't know if I'm showing this properly, but I hope I am. So these two are the golden earrings that I got for my birthday, but these are the ones that I bought a little before, and they are silver with a golden coating. So that's pretty good. They are really good quality, and I'm gonna do some more work now, and then we're gonna go and make some breakfast.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun.
So guys, I'm currently taking a break from work. My eyes hurt from looking at the screen the whole day. I swear it's so annoying. But I'm almost done with work actually. I have like 1 more hour to go or something, but I'm gonna take a break and do some stuff at the apartment, and then I'm gonna get a little bit more presentable, and I'm gonna go buy our second Christmas tree of the year. So yeah, let's finish off some tasks at home. I have to put my laundry to dry, and I want to clean my fridge right away before I do anything else, because it's literally bothering me so much that it's well, it's not dirty, but it's not clean. So I'm gonna do that first and then get ready and go pick up the tree.
Blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You we're gonna dance.
We're gonna dance, dance, dance,
Come on.
dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time.
So my fridge is done, all super clean. I had water filling up in here underneath and it was super strange, so it took me a long to clean that up. But yeah, here is everything. Not super organized as I said, but it's important that it's clean. Like this door is super unorganized, but yeah, it works for us. Clean fridge is definitely a must. So now guys, I just want to get ready super quickly and go buy that tree. I'm trying out this new Maybelline primer that I got in my advent calendar, and I had it on yesterday and it's actually super good, and you obviously don't need a lot of it.
Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about
Snimam te. Snimam te. I had to wait for them because they went to KFC. So not cool. What did you get? Let's do a KFC haul. Or did you already eat everything?
Was, Bruder? Nema ništa više, šta sam ja?
Pa pokaži šta si dobio.
Ovo, evo ga.
Mama, radimo haul. My mom's Christmas tree, so cute, and we still have here this balloon from my brother's 18th birthday. Yeah, I'm at my mom's now. We're gonna bake some cookies. Are we gonna bake some cookies?
Yeah.
And and what more? What else are we going to do?
And we are going to enjoy it.
Yes, for sure. Yeah, maybe eat some candy. I always eat candy because they always have a lot of things, a lot of delicious things. Like, she wants me to film something for you. Let me see what it is. Her arrangement on the table, very cute, very cute. Okay, I guess I guess I'll do a little tour of the Christmas decoration. So we have these lights here, super cute, and then this She actually has a fireplace arriving soon. So cute. And on the table, such a vibe, you know.
Making our Christmas memories. Oh oh, da 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 da. Oh oh, oh, da 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 da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hanging by the fire chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. The leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree.
Drinking coffee at 8 p.m. Here's to no sleeping tonight. Cheers. We are almost done with the cookie dough and we just have to put it in the fridge for like 30 minutes and then we are gonna make the different one, I think, or the second one, yes. And but I have to go to my brother's place to pick up my packages, so we'll see how much longer I can stay because he's not gonna be at home later, so yeah. Hey guys, so I'm at home again. I came like 1.5 hours ago and chilled here with my boyfriend and his friend. And yeah, I picked up my packages and a lot of them were like Christmas presents, and I know a few of the people are gonna be watching this vlog probably, and I don't want you to see what I got for them, but I still am waiting for a few more packages. And yeah, I got two of the things that I ordered for myself arrived. Just this really pretty necklace, so cute. And then I got this flared leggings or yoga pants. Tell me in the comment section down below, do you call them yoga pants or flared leggings? I'm gonna stick to the new trend and call them flared leggings because it makes me feel younger, you know. But I still have to try them on. I wanted to get one for so long, and these are so cool because normally they're super long and I am like pretty short. So I was struggling to find a right size, and I think these are going to be a perfect fit. Here they are. Here they are. They're black, so it's really hard to show them obviously, but yeah, I'm super excited about that. I just cleaned our kitchen quickly. I hate when the kitchen is messy, when I wake up and go make my coffee and everything is a mess. I'm gonna end off the vlog here. I'm gonna be vlogging tomorrow as well, so make sure to subscribe down below not to miss any of my Vlogmas videos. And yeah, hit that thumbs up button if you like this one, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys.